Hey guys, today we NVEA would like to address the 10th class student who belong to CBSE, who belong to NCERT and who belong to English medium. Guys, if you are a weak student and if you are preparing for the board examination, it's meant for the 10th class, and guys, if you face many challenges in the specifically compulsory English, then guys, we NVEA today have provided a fantastic workbook for the board examinations. Guys, if you try this book, then you will get it the whole chapter question answer, solutions, summaries, grammars, model papers, compositions, etc. etc. So guys, if you want to get a full marks, the best marks for the upcoming examinations in the specific English subject, then absolutely you must try this book. Guys, right now this book is available in Hindi and English segments. Guys, this is absolutely free of cost. And guys, if you want to avail this book, then you can log in to our official website, whose official URL link is www.navia.in. And guys, you can contact us at our helpline number, which is 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.